Hello students. In today's video of sets in Python, let us understand what is the difference between remove and discard methods in sets. First of all, let us declare A as a set, then enter some elements from 1 to, let us say, 10. A dot add I, then display print and double quote A is equal to A. Let us display the set. The elements from 1 to 9 are there. Suppose I write A dot remove 1, then print again the set. You can print here after removing 1 from set A. You can execute. Now 1 is not there. Similarly, if I copy and paste the content, suppose I remove 7, then again execute the program. You can write here 7, again execute the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After removing 1 from set A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After removing 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7 is not there. In this way, you can remove the element. Now, basically, what is the difference between discard and remove method? Suppose I am using '11 here. 11 is not basically present inside the set. Now, let us execute the program. There is one error. Some error is there. A dot remove 11, key error 11, because 11 is not basically present inside the set. If I write 5 here, after removing 5, let us check again. You can see the output. The output is there. Suppose I write here A dot discard. After removing or after basically discarding, let us check the output. Output is same. It will remove the element. If I write here 11 or 15 or 12, the element which is not present inside the set, check the output here. After discarding 12 from the set A, all the elements remain as it is. Let's copy and paste the content. Control C, Control V. Suppose I write here 2. After discarding 2 from the set, let's execute the program. You can delete 2 from the set. In first attempt, while you discard the element 12 from the set, all the elements will remain as it is. Basically, what is the difference between remove and discard? Remove produces error if the element is not present inside the set. But in case of discard, there is no error. The set will remain as it is if the element is not present inside the set. If I write -2, let us check again. There is no error. But in case of remove method, there is production of error. It's basically the difference between remove and discard method. Hope you understand the concept of remove and discard. Thanks for watching my video.